In this hot situation, hot weather, and also in our economical budget, we always for looking for a cold climate in this kind of Katulistiwa place country. So in our Malaysia, our normal average temperature will be about 30 plus, and which is very hot. We got an idea where we can save electricity bills, and also we can enjoy our cold air. In via this experiment with a cheap investment, we
Yeah.